Hello, it's Preston Soroka from Staples e-NABLE, from Staples High School in Westport, Connecticut. You're on a club called Staples e-NABLE, and this is my submission of the Kinetic hand to um, e-NABLE. I'm going to start off by saying it went pretty smoothly, the build process. There's a few hiccups. For example, the screws going into the Ninja Flex TPU. It was hard to kind of get one of the screws in. I had to use polymer of baking soda and super glue, but printing at 100% scale, I think I got the wrong screws, but that would be fixed for the real scenario of actually acquiring someone to get a hand for. Yeah, I followed the exact specifications of the manual towards the end. So you can see the hand is parallel, as you can see with the TPU right there. It's parallel when not flexed. Sorry, I'm just going to shift this around. And when I have to flex it, it's a very narrow range. I don't have to flex it too far. It's perfect. And like a normal hand, the thumb goes in last. Yeah, I printed this at 0.16 layer height and this at 0.1. Therefore, on the fingers, it did not need. I did not need supports. So yeah, because the first time I originally did it, I printed at 0.2, I think, and I needed supports. So and the supports were a really bad pain to remove. So kind of went down. This was printed on X1 carbon, and this was printed on a Ender V2 Neo. Same with this, and same with the TPU components. For example, this, but the joints were printed on the Bamboo X1 carbon. Yeah, I used braided fishing line. I'm a fisherman myself, so it was pretty easy to come by. I used 80-pound fishing line from Suffolk. I think they make some pretty good small diameter fishing line. The tuning, I just wish there was a little more ability to tune, because it's not perfect. There's some things that I think I could still improve on the tuning if there was more options. I used medical grade Velcro straps that have grips. So if you put your nub in hand, actually it will grip and feel quite comfortable. Yeah, that's really it. I mean, I used Overtune TPU, their most flexible version, and same with the joints and the fingertips here. But for the real one, we're going to use skin safe silicone molds. Yeah, print quality came out pretty well. There is a pretty large seam right here, but I think that would be removed quite easily with some better splicing details. Yeah, I'm just going to show you some usability of the hand itself. Here we go. Just say picking up a baseball, simple things like that. If you want to use it. Yeah, I printed this at 100 scale, 100% scale, so I think it came out really well. And again, it's parallel, which was an issue in my first time building it, but I used attention pretty well this time. All right, thank you.